Hello friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey. In the previous video we talked about count columns. Now in this video we'll talk about how to count rows from this collection. Now we have this master collection, and as you can see here we have 10 rows, but currently we can see that and we can say okay, we have 10 rows, but bot does not know about that, like how many rows we have in our collection. Bot will only know if we'll set something, if we'll set the action, then bot will get the count, and then bot will have idea, okay, now we have 10 rows, and then based on that count you can work on that. Now let's take one scenario. You are working on a project where you have to count your rows. It means first you will read your Excel data stored in a collection. You will see that if your Excel data, it means if your collection has data, then you will add items to queue, otherwise skip that part. It means go to AND process. So same thing we can apply here. Let me show you. Click OK. So we have 10 rows, and I'm going to show you how to count rows. So we are going to use one business object, and you know that to call any action from that business object you need to use action stage. So just double click on that right here, count rows. Select here from this business object, select internal business object collections, and from this action select count rows. Now from this collection name, in this input we need to pass that collection name in the double quotation. Now from this outputs we need to take one data item which can store the count of rows in one data item, so that we can use that further. Now right here, count rows, click on this so that we can create the data item. Now click OK. Now we have this data item. Now link this, reset this, and run a step by step. Now you can see here we are getting count rows 10. It means we have 10 rows in our collection. Now based on this you can put a decision stage here, link this, double click on this decision and write collection has data, right? Now here we'll take this count rows greater than 0. It means if we have that count rows is greater than 0, it means we have data in our collection. So if we have data, then what we do, then just take one, add items to queue part and add. So I'm just taking a notes, so it means just to show you, so add to queue. So if we have data in our collection, add to queue and then go to AND. Now if we have no, then directly go to AND. This is the best practice, like you can always check that, because if you have no data in your Excel file, it means there is no need to run this specific part, this add to queue part. Just send an email to your business like there is no data in the Excel sheet, please provide the data. So here if we will run this, so what will happen, now we have 10 rows, so here it will come to the yes part, it means true, it will go with the add to queue and then it will AND. Now if we have no data, it means if we have 0, so it will go with the false. Let me step by again, double click on this count rows, put here 0, and now you see here our count rows value is 0 now, so it will directly go to AND, because now count is not greater than 0. So based on these things you can try few more scenario and you can work on this count rows. I hope you will like this video. If so, then please press the like button and please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you guys.